6. Set the parameters of the Siemens system. Click Alarm. Click on the TCP, IP bus. Click TCP, IP Diagnostics. Click Change. Click the down arrow. Click the numeric keypad to modify the IP address of X130. Modify it to be exactly the same as the configured destination IP of the remote control receiver. Modify the subnet mask. Click Confirm and wait for the configuration to succeed. Click Back twice. Click Menu Select. Click Debug. Click Network. Click Company Network. Click Change. Click the down arrow. Select S7 Communication. Then click Confirm.